Hello, my Rover friends. We're doing it again. Grab your key. It's time for an adventure. Last year, we started off in New York City and made our way all the way to the Portofino Hotel in California. If you were on that trip, it was surreal to see all the Land Rovers lined up, driving down the highway, stopping at historical places along the way. Personal favorite was a beach in Nebraska. Parked right on the sand and camped. Absolutely amazing. This year, we're starting off at Green Bay, Wisconsin, and making our way all the way down to Big Bend National Park in Texas, right at the Mexican border. The trip has been nicknamed Cheese to Tacos. So I'm gonna bring some cheese and we're gonna put it on tacos. Grab your keys and I'll see you in Green Bay. The mightiest of Land Rovers! Absolutely epic.
The Freelander is the mightiest car that Land Rover has ever produced.
Temps are 208. I'm not loving that. Our buddy Joe in the other Freelander did not make it. What an amazing way to start off day two. Day two, successful, no issues, but we have a massive storm going on in the background. Made it through the mountains. Now we're in quite possibly the most beautiful scenery in Colorado for roads. We have made it to Grand Junction, and I have run into arguably one of the most important people in the Land Rover community, Mr. Bill Burke.
In my brain.
We're gonna do a trail called Long Canyon. Kind of basically captures all of Moab in 45 minutes.
It is a real Land Rover trip. We stopped here, have a group meeting, get everything planned out, and the replacement Freelander has broken. Joe's Freelander gave out near Chicago, so Craig Mackett loaned him his NAS 90 to finish the trip. But true to Joe's luck, the 90 vapor locked in the Moab heat. Monument Valley has stolen Moab's thunder. All right, guys, this is not what I wanted to be doing. I am somewhere in Arizona. The Freelander is not dead. It is running, but our top speed was 29 miles an hour. If you can get way in there. We have made it to California. The Freelander is moving. I don't want to double fingers, pinkies crossed. I think we're gonna make it. Was this the best road trip I've ever had? Absolutely.